Woo. Okay, I am at the vessel Pulu, Kawa. It is Monday, June 12th. I have just cleaned the port side and the prop. Also, I used some hull spray on this waterline staining. I want to show you the waterline real quick because it's not going to stay clean very long. Look at how nice and white that is. No barnacles. This is not going to stay like this very long. In fact, by the end of the week, it'll probably be black. Let me show you the other side. Let me swim under. This is the side I haven't cleaned. Yellow, dingy. Barnacles everywhere. Let me get that side cleaned up. Let's swim back the side I have cleaned. Alright, let me clean this side.